We're gonna try the wall sit thingy with her. Okay. Oh my gosh, take that off.
I got another one.
Take it off.
No, you're not my mommy.
Okay, get over here.
Okay.
Take it off.
My back hurts.
Okay.
This won't broke my back.
Okay. Well. Okay. Now. Ow! You're so bony. Okay, go. Hurry. You ready?
I'm falling.
It's so blurry.
Ow.
Ow!
I'm
Oh
sorry.
my
I'm on one leg and one leg only.
No, what are you doing? We didn't get the perfect one. Don't take it. That woman.
Hey, you just called me a woman.
Get over here.
Okay.
I think we broke this. Oh.
Smoothie.
Yeah, mine's over there. Get on.
Ow, I just cracked my head.
Hey. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's do one at a time. And then 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, try to do the cross thingy.
How do we do this the first time?
Cheese.
Okay, first of all, it's on record.
I know. I'm screenshotting them.
I know.
No, wait. Switch.
Hi. Oh, no, here.
Ow.
Don't try this at home.
Do. It's actually really easy.
I actually tried this at my house. Did you know that?
You ready?
Why are you so not like heavy?
I don't know. We already discussed this yesterday. I'm holding myself up. Okay.
You're getting down.
Yeah, I know.
I'm slipping. Ow! Your buppo just went in.
Okay.
Your buppo just went into my foot.
That was actually not supposed to be a video, but
We gave up on trying to get a
Good.
picture.
bye.